Remulla said cases of indirect bribery, malversation of public funds, and violation of the Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act will be filed against the mentioned personalities. The DOJ is still looking into the case of Commission on Audit Commissioner Mario Lipana and his wife, Mary Lou, who is a contractor. According to former Department of Public Works and Highways Bulacan District Engineer Henry Alcantara, Commissioner Lipana texted and personally visited him in 2022 to ask for a listing of flood control projects. Both Senator Joel Villanueva and Jinggoy Estrada denied the allegations.
It was clear, very clear, from Mr. Alcantara's own statement. Hindi po ako nag-request ng kahit anong flood control project. Sinabi din po niya, wala po akong alam at hindi rin po ako kailanman sinabihan tungkol sa mga proyektong yan. Inamin ni District Engineer Alcantara na may tulong daw siyang pinaabot pero hindi po sa akin, sabi po niya. At siya na rin po mismo ang nagsabi na wala po akong alam doon. Pero ayan, Mr. President, basta binanggit lang po yung pangalan natin.
A former senator was also named by Alcantara. He said he gave the money meant for former Senator Bong Revilla to former DPWH Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo.
Yung kay dating Senador Bong Revilla, kanino mo binigay yung 90 million ba? 25%.
Lahat po yun kay Yusek Bernardo. Every time po kasi na kailangan na pong dalhin, it's either po inuutos ko sa driver ko or may pagkakataon naman po na yung chief of staff ko inuutusan ko. Siya na po naghahanap ng driver.
Senators asked, how are lawmakers able to interfere with the National Expenditure Program or NEP when the executive, not the legislature, prepares this?
Because DPWH po magsasabi at magsasubmit sa amin, Mr. Chair. So we don't know what transpired during that preparation ng proposed budget nila and being submitted to us. So that's their practice, Mr. Chair, not ours.
The proper procedure that should be followed is that the local development councils are the ones that should submit to the DBM kung ano yung mga kailangan sa locality nila.
Alcantara also confirmed the statement of former DPWH Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez that only 30 to 35% of the budget for a flood control project remains, while the rest is pocketed. He said 10% is given as advance payment when the project is listed in the NEP and 15% when the General Appropriations Act comes out.